Baking soda, also referred to as sodium bicarbonate, is a white powdered material that is frequently used as a baking ingredient. We all enjoy fluffy, light bread, muffins, and cakes, don't we? For that, we must be grateful to baking soda. A great way to give your kids an additional treat is to combine baking soda and vinegar. Kids would adore having an exploding volcano as a science experiment thanks to this. But is that the only use for sodium bicarbonate? No, gentlemen. We'll look at 7 unexpected health benefits of baking soda in this video. Number 1. Alleviating heartburn. Baking soda neutralizes gastric acid, which helps reduce heartburn symptoms. Pour a glass of water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda into it and sip it gently. It should improve for you in a matter of seconds. But while using baking soda for heartburn, there are a few things to be cautious about. First off, contrary to what we have previously stated, not all heartburn symptoms are brought on by acid reflux. Because baking soda contains a lot of salt, you should monitor your sodium intake. Frequent consumption of baking soda combinations may cause metabolic alkalosis, which makes the blood too alkaline and raises the risk of cardiac issues. Thus, while baking soda may provide temporary relief from heartburn, it is not a recommended long-term treatment. Number 2. Oral hygiene. You can make a fantastic mouthwash replacement using baking soda. Although it doesn't taste well either, it works just as well if not better than mouthwash. You can use baking soda to rinse your mouth to get rid of bacteria and plaque. As you would with mouthwash, combine 1 spoonful of baking soda with warm water and swish it around. Because of its granular texture, baking soda can easily get into all the crevices and areas between your teeth and are difficult to clean on a regular basis. Additionally, baking soda possesses potent antibacterial and antimicrobial qualities that can aid in eliminating bacteria and maintaining the health and happiness of your gums. Bettermore, baking soda can be used to treat some canker sores and mouth abscesses. According to some research, the discomfort associated with canker sores may be reduced by cleaning your mouth with baking soda mixture. Better yet, using baking soda to whiten teeth can work wonders. Number 3. Improving sports performance. Baking soda, often known as sodium bicarbonate, lessens the acidity of working muscles. In actuality, athletes frequently take baking soda as supplement. When we engage in anaerobic exercises or really high-intensity activities, our bodies require more oxygen than is readily available. As a result, our muscles lack the oxygen necessary to generate adenosine triphosphate or ATP, the energy source for our cells. As a result, they adopt an alternative ATP-producing process that releases hydrogen. Our muscles' excess hydrogen decreases pH levels, creating an acidic environment. This is the moment when your muscles start to burn badly. Number 4. Good for your skin. Baking soda is often recommended for itchy skin, bee stings, mosquito bites, or even sunburns. In folk medicine, baking soda is mixed with cornstarch or oatmeal to alleviate the nasty sensation of sunburns. Some people recommended taking baking soda baths. Number 5. Relief from arthritis pain. For itchiness on the skin, bee stings, mosquito bites, and even sunburns, baking soda is frequently advised. Baking soda is combined with cornstarch or oats in traditional medicine to lessen the uncomfortable symptoms of sunburns. There are others who advise bathing in baking soda. Simply put 1 or 2 cups of baking soda in some warm water and let it soak. Alternatively, you might make a paste by combining baking soda and a small amount of water. The affected area should have a few coats applied and left for a few minutes. In addition, a solution of baking soda and water can be used to relieve callus pain. After soaking calluses in water containing baking soda, you'll feel better. Number 6. Reducing bloating. Bloating is a common symptom that can happen for a number of causes. Constipation, weight gain, reflux, eating too much, eating too quickly, and menstruation are a few of the most frequent causes. It could also be an indication of more severe infections or inflammatory conditions, such as liver disease, irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. Number 7. Boosting cancer treatments. Baking soda is not a magical cure for cancer, but sodium bicarbonate neutralizes acidity because it has a strong alkalizing action. Reducing the acidity of one's surroundings is thought by many researchers to be the key of fighting cancer because cancer cells thrive in acidic environment. According to a 2009 study published in Cancer Research, bicarbonate injections can lower tumor pH levels and inhibit the spread of metastatic breast cancer in mice. Tumor acidity may be a contributing factor in the failure of several chemotherapeutic therapies for cancer. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below if you have proven the benefits of baking soda. You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.